Hi coworkers, I just want to share some ideas about noticing approach. The noticing approach. The noticing approach has been the most significant tool for teaching and learning grammar. Our students were taught English through a traditional approach with focus on teaching sentence level grammar rules, translation, and many call drills without verbal communication. Noticing is basically the idea that if learners pay attention to the form and meaning of certain language structure in input, this will contribute to the internalization of the rule. There you go, three advantages of focusing the noticing approach to grammar teaching or and learning. The first advantage of using noticing approach is that students will improve their grammatical knowledge, and at the same time the noticing approach will contribute to improving their communication skills. The second advantage uh, with the it is with the help of noticing approach, the students have a lot of opportunities to learn grammar in the different social situations, of course. And a third advantage, teachers can choose appropriate activities according to their pedagogical purpose. In a four advantages could be the teachers don't influence the construction of the complex network, because really learners can only do it themselves. Now, how can we as teachers help students notice target forms? Or better, there there are four relevant aspects to take into account when using notice approach. Remember, according to this theory, the primary nature of explicit knowledge is to develop awareness, or rather than production of target form. Hence, teachers ought not to grade students an accurate use of these forms in spontaneous speech. Also, explicit instruction explaining and drawing attention to a particular form. Frequency, the regular occurrence of a certain structure in input. Perpetual silence, highlighting or underlining to draw attention to a certain structure. And test demands, constructing a task that requires learners to notice a structure in order to complete it. In conclusion, explicit grammar knowledge can foster the acquisition of implicit knowledge through noticing. Teacher can draw students' attention to certain language features of input through explicit instruction, increasing the frequency and perpetual silence of the structure, and or designing tasks that require the students to notice a structure to complete it. Thank you very much, and